Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how you can send multiple snaps on Snapchat. So this is the new feature. You can capture multiple snaps and can send to your friends. So for that, just open your Snapchat account. When you open your Snapchat account, now here as you will click on this camera option. When you click on this camera option, now at the right side you can see there are plus option, a drop down option. Just click on this drop down menu, and just when you click on this, here you can see the option called multi snap. You just click on this multi snap. When you click on multi snap, now just simply click on this capture option, and here you can see you can take multiple snaps. I have taken 4 snaps. After taking snaps, just simply click on this edit and send, and now click on you can see here there are 4 snaps now. Here you can see there are 4 snaps that I have captured. So this is the way now you can edit every snaps, and then you can send to your friends. So this is the way you can take multiple snaps, edit that snaps and send to your friends on Snapchat.